Welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall Zafira 2017 model. Basically, oil pressure light on. Customer done the service, but still light on and the chain bit rattly. I'm going to start the car and show you what's going on. Start the car for me, please. I can hear a bit rattly sound from the chain, and also have a look. Yeah, see. Yeah, I don't want to keep the car running longer. Okay, switch off please. You can hear bit rattly sounds. Right, next step, what are you going to do? We need to remove this timing chain cover because it's part of the timing chain cover. Once I remove the timing cover, I'll come back to it. It's little bit work there. I'm not going to filming whole process, but however, once I remove the timing cover, I'll come back to you. We already removed the timing cover, and we'll see what happened to the oil pump. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 screws, all Torx. You can see chunk missing, chunk missing, chunk missing. It's broken. See, that's why the problem. Right, now we know what happened to the oil pump. However, we will order the, we can buy the whole complete cover, or we can buy the just repair kit for the oil pump. However, I don't know which way this customer need to go. If you need a complete cover, I order the complete cover. If it's not, cheaper way, some people want to save some money and go with the cheap option. That's mean the repair kit. However, once I install everything, I'll come back to you. But however, we know what's the problem now. What's the oil warning light on. Once it fix this one, everything should be okay. However, once I fix this one, I'll come back to you and I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, came the new part. Brand new and shiny. This is the oil pump inside. You can see it's rotating with the crank shaft. Okay, I need to compare new one and old one. All bits need to come from here to there. Yeah, and yeah, look exactly the correct. You can see here broken pieces. This one, yeah, good and nice shape. Okay, then let's install this one. After that, I'll start the car and I'll show you what's going on here. Hi, this is the update for the Vauxhall. Fix the timing cover with the pump. Now have a look. I'm going to start the car. You can see nice and clear dashboard, no any winding sound, no any oil warning light anymore. Yeah, job done, success. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do now. Comment section open for you. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention in comment section. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.